The Illustrious House of Ramires, published in 1900, is one of the later works by Eça de Queirós, a key figure in Portuguese realism. This novel showcases Queiros's matured narrative style, blending historical fiction with a biting social critique, and delves into themes of personal honor, societal decay, and the challenges of modernization. The novel centers around Gonçalo Mendes Ramires, the last scion of the once noble Ramires family. Living in a crumbling estate, Gonçalo dreams of restoring his family's honor and prestige. He decides to write a historical novel based on the exploits of his ancestors as a means to achieve literary fame and political influence. Through his writing, he conjures up the valor and heroism of the medieval Ramires, contrasting sharply with his own indecisive and somewhat cowardly nature. Gonçalo's journey is both a literal and metaphorical attempt to reconcile the glorious past with the inglorious present, reflecting his internal conflicts and societal pressures. Eça de Queirós masterfully uses Gonçalo's character to critique the aristocracy and the emerging bourgeoisie. The novel explores themes of honor, legacy, and the conflict between tradition and progress. Gonçalo's romanticized view of his family's past is juxtaposed with his own moral failings and the decaying state of his estate, symbolizing the decline of the old aristocracy. Through this narrative, Queiroz critiques the superficiality and hypocrisy of the nobility, while also addressing broader societal changes in Portugal at the turn of the century. The Illustrious House of Ramires is notable for its intricate structure, where the historical novel within the novel serves as a mirror to Gonçalo's contemporary life. Queiros's use of irony and humor adds depth to the story, allowing for a nuanced portrayal of his characters. The alternating chapters between Gonçalo's life and his historical novel create a layered narrative that explores the interplay between past and present. Queiros's descriptive prowess and keen eye for detail bring the settings and characters to life, making the historical and contemporary scenes equally compelling. The psychological complexity of Gonçalo Mendes Ramires is a testament to Queiros's skill as a writer. Gonçalo is portrayed with a mix of sympathy and criticism. His ambitions and flaws make him a deeply human character. His journey is as much about self-discovery as it is about family honor, highlighting the internal and external struggles he faces. The supporting characters, including his loyal friend Faiths and the manipulative courtesan Dona Vicentia, further enrich the narrative, each representing different facets of Portuguese society. Upon its release, the Illustrious House of Ramires was praised for its insightful social commentary and innovative narrative structure. The novel has since been recognized as one of Queiros's finest works, showcasing his evolution as a writer. Its themes of honor, legacy, and societal change remain relevant, offering readers a timeless reflection on the human condition and the complexities of progress. In conclusion, The Illustrious House of Ramires by Eça de Queirós is a masterful blend of historical fiction and social critique. Through the character of Gonçalo Mendes Ramires, Queiroz explores the tensions between tradition and modernity, honor and hypocrisy, offering a poignant and humorous look at the decline of the Portuguese aristocracy. The novel's rich narrative structure, vivid descriptions, and psychological depth make it a significant work in the canon of Portuguese literature, reflecting Queiros's brilliance as a realist writer. Here are 5 highlights everyone needs to know about Eça de Queirós' The Illustrious House of Ramires. Exploration of aristocracy and decay. The novel critically examines the decline of the Portuguese aristocracy through the character of Gonçalo Mendes Ramires, the last descendant of the noble Ramires family. It highlights the contrast between the glorified past and the decaying present, showcasing the themes of honor, legacy, and societal change. Dual narrative structure. The book employs a unique narrative technique, alternating between Gonçalo's contemporary life and the historical novel he is writing about his ancestors. This dual structure provides a rich, layered narrative that reflects on the interplay between past and present. Character complexity and psychological insight. Gonçalo Mendes Ramires is portrayed with a mix of sympathy and criticism, making him a deeply human and relatable character. His ambitions, flaws, and internal conflicts are explored with psychological depth, offering a nuanced portrayal of his journey of self-discovery. social critique and satire, Eça de Queirós uses the novel to deliver a biting social critique of the Portuguese nobility and the emerging bourgeoisie. The story is infused with irony and humor, addressing themes of hypocrisy, superficiality, and the challenges of modernization in late 19th century Portugal. Literary significance and legacy. The Illustrious House of Ramires is considered one of Queiros's finest works, showcasing his mature narrative style and his evolution as a realist writer. The novel's themes and innovative structure have cemented its place as a significant work in Portuguese literature, offering timeless reflections on societal change and the human condition. This was our summary of The Illustrious House of Ramires by Eça de Queirós. We hope it helped you.